How to use YouTube Live Redirect feature. To use the YouTube Live Redirect feature, you simply have to configure your live stream settings to automatically send your viewers to the premiere. So first of all, launch the YouTube Studio on your desktop web browser. Because this feature is not yet available for mobile devices, you have to be on your computer. Then click the Create button or the camera icon in the top right corner, then select Go Live. From there, choose to schedule a new stream or edit an upcoming scheduled broadcast. Then inside the Live Control Room dashboard, click the Edit button and then click on the Customization tab. From there, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom of the customization page and find the redirect section. Then click the plus add button. A menu will appear allowing you to select where your viewers should go, your YouTube's premiere, other channels, or specific link. Now you simply have to click save and then proceed to end your stream to trigger the raid itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.